You need help getting up the slide? This kid has everything, I swear. There he goes. There he is. You coming down the slide? Come on. You coming head first, huh? And back he goes. He has little tubes over here that he crawls through too. We don't have them connected right now. They were wet, drying out. There's his tent. That's kind of a hard way to land, isn't it? That's right. Keep going. Not a big deal. You land on your head, you just keep going. That's Brayson's motto.